Pay you got such some say you promise me I bear me pay.
Ta me mot ban ong ba baro arangot ki bahay maya. Laya pide.
की खबर का बातें से टीवी का उम्दी बशnyam bat penjaslian Omrupa Premium Meghalaya
Kaskuda auto India kablawan yuk kejat hakani ke jala Meghalaya hakasin ka benengkong klub li ya slem di kali halait kor ngi shalong ban pen scam ya ke jingdon juga hakathan stay lamingi hakani ke slem di kali bakan thup ya ke jing ajing shakri bar ke jing di ektiar kali bathamai la play pajba da jing trelang bar ke 55B automobiles private limited hakani ke sngi la play pajba aru ya ke kali bathamai da ka anila pensi rangkat ke jing sakhilang ke nomik mat na ka company bar ke blashakot sngovha
Congratulations. May you have very good time with this car.
The world champions in men's T20 cricket, and that's a huge achievement. Like all of us have grown up watching cricket, but I don't think, like at least in my lifetime, I was telling my colleagues, I've seen it only happen 4 times in so many years of my existence on this earth. So I think it's very rare. It doesn't happen very often, and we need to celebrate these kind of successes. So quite happy about it. And there was another important thing which was yesterday. Yes, it was the International Women's Day. So a belated happy Women's Day to all the lovely women who are present here. Right. So yeah, I'm very happy to be here on this very auspicious occasion of inaugurating our very first outlet in the state of Meghalaya. And like the graceful host said, this is not just Škoda's first entry into Meghalaya, it is the group's first entry into Meghalaya. And also we are very proud to note that we are the only European brand that is currently present in Meghalaya. So the customers here can really expect, and you know, once you experience our European technology cars, you will realize that European technology is something different, right? And that's what we are known for. So, first of all, heartiest congratulations to Mr. Rakesh Singh and Mrs. Laju Singh. Very nice to meet you guys. SSB has had a long association with us. Like rightly said, we are present along with them in the states of Assam, Nagaland, and now in this beautiful state of Meghalaya. This is my first visit to Meghalaya as a state, and Kirti has visited along. He's been telling me about the lovely weather and everything, but I must say it is a very beautiful city, and hopefully I get time to explore the city a little more. Right? Also, let me take a few moments to talk about Škoda as a brand. So, 2025 for us has been a record-breaking year for Škoda in India. So, globally, Škoda completed 130 years last year, and in India, we completed 25 years last year. And last year, we had record-breaking months, we had record-breaking quarters, and we had record-breaking years. It was a record. As a result, it was a record-breaking year. So we sold 72,665 cars last year, which is a growth of 107% in 1 year, which means we doubled our sales in 2025. 2025. And it was possible only because of two things. One, we had our entire product portfolio in India for the first time, starting with Kailak, Kusha, Slavia, Kodiak, and of course Octavia RS. And also we had a very good performing dealer network. Like SSB, we have 75 more dealer partners across India who went all guns blazing in the year 2025, and as a result of that, we had a record-breaking year. So when I talk about products specifically, Kailak is the hero product. Like it was mentioned earlier, we have sold 50,000 Kailaks in India, and we couldn't have been prouder than that. Kailak is for us the newest baby in the product family. We literally treat it like a baby, and we in fact celebrated its first birthday also in a baby style. I don't know if you guys have seen, at least the marketing team should have seen the kind of marketing content we put out for the first birthday of Kailak, right? Kailak was hugely successful. Octavia got sold out in under 20 minutes. We knew that Octavia had a huge fan following, and we knew it will be sold out in 2 hours, but we didn't know, we didn't assume, or we didn't anticipate that it will be sold out in under 20 minutes. So I think we should be very proud of the kind of products that we have. So Octavia was a great success. Slavia is the number 2 in the executive sedan segment, and we really hope that we become number 1 this year. Kusha continues to be our entry into the made in India cars, and now we had the Kusha PA launch yesterday in Kolkata, and the price announcement is going to happen in the next couple of weeks. So we really have a lot of hopes from Kusha PA, the facelift, and of course Kodiak. I don't know how many are real auto enthusiasts here, but if you've been following the awards, actually Kodiak won a lot of executive SUV awards this year. So all our 5 products, the entire product portfolio fired really well last year, which was one of the main reasons why we did well. And like I said, the second reason is our dealer network. In 2025, we expanded our network rapidly. We really believe that the true potential of any company is really in the tier 2, tier 3 markets of India. That's where the aspirations of the real Indians are. So in 2025 alone, we entered 34 new cities. Going into like east, we went to Itanagar, for example. We come to Shillong. We went to, in the south, we went to Kayakulam. We went to places where a lot of people have not heard of. In north, we went to Srinagar. So from north, east, west, south, we've actually entered a lot of new cities. And as a result, in 2025, 60% of our new car sales has come from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. That shows the potential that these markets have, right? And we have, of course, a lot of hope from Shillong as well, given the kind of PIV it has, and the love for driving and the love for SUVs, because the terrains that are present in the northeast, we really expect this market to do very well for us. So in terms of expansion, yes, we did expand a lot, and we're also very happy to note that in 2025, a lot of our dealers actually were.
Hello everyone, very happy to be present in Shillong for the inauguration of this lovely outlet by SSB Motors, the dealer principal Mr. Rakesh Singh. We have been associated with SSB Motors for the last 5 years. We are present along with them in the state of Assam, in the state of Nagaland, and now we are very happy to enter Meghalaya. This is the first time that Skoda Auto has entered Meghalaya, and we really have a lot of expectations from this market. The cars that we build in Skoda, they are absolutely perfect for the terrain that Northeast has, because we are known for our SUVs, and once you test drive those cars, you will realize that the difference between our products and our competition. So I would highly encourage each one of you to come to our showroom in the Laijong showroom in Shillong and test drive the cars here. We have a complete product portfolio available in Shillong, which is our Kailak, which starts from 7.59 lakhs. Then we have our Kusha, we have Kodiak, and these 3 are the SUVs that we have. And in our sedans, we have Slavia, and we will at some point of time get Octavia RS again into India in 2026. So we have a complete portfolio of products here, and we're very happy to enter Meghalaya as such, but we'll also be expanding in the other parts of Northeast India. We started with Assam, then we moved to Nagaland. Beginning of last year, we moved to Arunachal Pradesh in Itanagar. Now we have come to Meghalaya. We have plans to go to Manipur. So slowly and steadily, we will expand our footprint in the Northeast because we truly believe our products are made for this terrain. And so please go on to our website, check out our products. We are very active on social media, and I also know the people of Northeast are very active on social media as well. So follow us on Instagram, on YouTube, and go to our website. And also, most importantly, come and take a test drive of our products, because once you take the test drive, you realize the strength of Skoda, which is the driving dynamics and the product quality.
Ma'am, as you mentioned about test drive, is the test drive open for people of Shillong?
Absolutely. So all the people, whoever want to take a test drive of either a Kailak or a Kushaq, Slavia or Kodiaq, can come to the showroom and book a test drive, take a test drive. The staff here is absolutely amazing, because I've just met few of the customers. I just now, in fact 5 minutes back, delivered a Kailak to a customer, and the customer was really talking very highly of the staff here. And we are very confident. We are very confident we are going to increase our market share in the state of Meghalaya, in Shillong especially, because if you look at Meghalaya as a market, it has got a TIV of 1,000 cars per month. Shillong is almost 2/3 of that market. So Shillong is close to 650-700 cars per month as a TIV, and we are expecting to do around 2% market share in that. And I am very confident that we will be able to do that, the kind of dealer partner that we are having and the kind of products that we have here. We have got multiple variants, and if you go onto our website, you get the exact details of what variants, what prices. In terms of competition, for example, Kailak is a product which is a volume car. We have, like I said, we have sold 50,000 Kailaks in less than a year. Our competition majorly is Mahindra 3XO, it is Maruti Brezza, and at one point of time Kia Syros. But we very clearly were loved most by the customers, so we ended up selling a lot of Kailaks. In terms of competition, most likely, you have your Kia Sonet, you have your Hyundai Verna, but very clearly Kailak has got its own strengths, it's got its own safety. Like we spoke about how Kushaq was the first global NCAP 5-star rating SUV in India. After Skoda had this car in 2021, a lot of the competition also followed us. So in a way, we kind of led this entire 5-star rating campaign thing in India. I want to just talk about two things. One is, our driving dynamics are very different from a Mahindra or a Maruti or any other competition. I would not like to take any names of the competition as such, but our driving dynamics are very different. The product quality is very different. The longevity of the car is very different. And to make the experience of owning a Skoda easy on the pocket, we have actually launched a lot of new initiatives like the Skoda Supercare package, which, like I said, is 4-year free roadside assistance, 4-year free warranty, or 1 lakh kilometers, whichever is earlier, and also you get 4-year free labor services. So we are trying to make it easy for the customer on the pocket, and the prices also, if you see, we have launched at 7.59 for Kailak. So basically, we want to democratize the European technology for the customers in India at affordable price. So we are calling it affordable premium cars. Okay. Thank you so much.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.